welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm heading out for a quick grocery run because my lovely friend is coming over for lunch. We're planning to cook a Filipino dish called tinolang manok, and I'm excited to share with you guys. Today is really hot. So there are some sales right here. I need ginger and garlic, so maybe we can find something in here. Wow. Unfortunately, there is none. Alam niyo, sobrang init na dito sa Japan. Kaloka. Anyway, I'm home. And this is what we got. Ginger. We have zucchini. Wala tayong sayote. So we're gonna use this. Marga suggested this one. And yeah, garlic. Oh, onion. And of course, the chicken. May isa pang kulang, which is yung dahon ng sili. And I'm gonna go down. Kasi may mga tanim yung mga boys doon. So, ingi tayo. We're with Otto. And comment ne. Thank you. Salamat po.
Wala naman.
Wala nga naman. Dali. Wow! Hi!
Do you want some chili? Oh, not chili. It's fake.
It's big.
But it's not spicy
not
at all.
spicy?
It's not spicy at all.
Arigato ne.
Manghang. That one, the big one. Manghang. No. I mean, no.
Just one. I need just one. Oh. So we're gonna use this with tinola, like it's just chicken, pepper, onion, garlic, and ginger. Just that it. I'm going to use zucchini.
How about the zucchini?
Chicken. Zucchini. Because the papaya is expensive here and there's not much
Okay,
here, right?
you use it's soup. It's
Soup.
salad.
It's
Soup.
It's kind of like common guy, to be honest. Kind of tastes like that. When I cook it, I will give it to you. I will give one part for you. Ato, arigato. Thank you so much.
Wala naman.
Walang anuman.
How about eggplant?
Eggplant. We have food. Tote.
I will.
Ipay na.
I will do not body to see around.
Kasi are so double.
I will double.
So while still cooking, I want to show you guys something. Ta-da! So last Friday, we went to thrift store. I was with Ate Jessa and Marga. And nag-decide na nga kami bumili ng sarili namin Joyba at Club. Kasi nga, nagre-renta lang kami dun. Sobrang mura niya. Like this one, it costs 2,980 yen. And this one is 1,980 yen. Ang ganda pa. Wala pa siyang masyadong basgas. Actually, hindi lang sa akin to. Pati kay Anna and Marga. So, tatlo kami dito nag-share. And we're so excited to use these. Hopefully, baka laro ko ngayon. Kasi nga gusto ko siya i-try. Pero kung hindi, baka next recipe. Sarap. Tuto ko eh. It's good. Luto na siya. Wow. Sobrang bango. Walang halong biro. It smells so good. So, while waiting for my friend Marga, bibigyan ko si Otto kasi binigyan niya ako ng dahon ng sili. Sana magustuhan niya. Makalakad naman. Kung makalakad naman ng hagdan, parang bakla. Yung lakad mo para 3 tao sa hagdan.
Napakainit. Grabe.
Kanina, wala ko. Lumabas ako, di ba? Tapos wala akong jacket. Edi, alis pa ako. Otakin! Otakin!
Uy.
Yeah, what the? What is that?
Ah.
It's like kamangkai. Kutsukute yatsui.
Iyo. Ate.
Ah, so
Ay, iyo.
Arigato ne. Yeah. Salamat po. Okay. Otto-kun. We'll go get some chili. Is it okay? The small one.
It's okay.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go. Dami na yung tanim dito. Yung mais. Ha? Harvestin na natin ito. Ako kami sila. Dito ako sa everyone. Hey!
Sarap na to guys.
Chips kita eh, kasi parang may mabang sa ilalim ng dahon.
Dami. Okay na ka. Sarap. Piling ko to rin.
Itadakimasu. Grabe. Gusto ko to. Tinola.
Yan din niluto ni Ate Joey kagabi, pero ginataan.
Ginataan.
Zucchini na may
Gatang.
dahon ng ampalaya at saka manok.
Oh?
Sarap. Pero ito ini-imagine ko habang pinakain ko yung dahon niya. Ginataan naman siya ng manok.
Kanina ang ginagawa namin. Tinanggal ko itong table dyan. Papaloon kami. Nagpasama kami ng bola.
Ito din to, sira. Sira.
Di kasama?
Hindi.
Sama?
Busy ako. Busy ako naman.
Let's go.
Matulog.
Bye!
Ingat kayo.
Thank Thank you. Ganda naman pong pala mo.
Favorite ng bayan. Shit, bago na yan ano nila.
Lagay.
Pinatuan ko eh. Ito.
We played Wednesday.
20. Oh, pwede. 20. Daming naglaro. Mm. Mhm.
So yung gamit ko na ito, yung iron number 5. Now I'm gonna try the dry bar. I don't know how to use this yet. So let's see. Number 7, no? Sarap. Bababali sa akin. So how was it? I think I'm doing well. Grabe. You see that basket there? We'll try to sit there. Yo, talaga. Ayaw talaga sa akin ng basket na yan. Alam niyo ba guys? Ayaw talaga sa akin yan. Did you guys see that? Pagod. Was good.
Iritado.
Iritado. Init na, no? Gusto ko na to. And we're done. Sobrang ganda nung nabili namin. Dati umaabot na kami ng 100 yards. Ngayon nasa 150 yards naman. So hopefully next time madagdagan na yung set namin ng club. So excited. And yeah, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog ko. So thank you for watching. And for my next vlog, room update. So we'll see what we can do. Bye! See you next vlog.